Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and matching ports. This saves time. Locate the projector input, HDMI, VGA, or USB-C, and the laptop port. If you need an adapter, plug it into the laptop first, then into the projector cable. Once done, power on the projector and switch its source to the input you plan to use. Do this before sharing the screen so the projector negotiates resolution. It prevents flicker and wrong aspect ratios later, making the next step straightforward. Now you establish the signal path. Firmly connect the cable and confirm no pins are bent. A shaky connection causes blank screens. On Windows, press Windows plus P to choose Duplicate or Extend, or Open Display Settings to detect the projector. On Mac Open System, preferences right arrow displays and press Detect Displays if needed. Make sure the projector resolution matches the laptop. If it looks cropped, lower the laptop output to a standard resolution like 1920 x 1000. Finish by confirming audio routing and image alignment. On your laptop, set the audio output to the projector or classroom speakers and adjust focus plus keystones so the image is rectangular. Once good, lock the projector cable and avoid moving the setup. If nothing appears, try one key troubleshooting tip: reset cables and change inputs. If still blank, reboot the laptop and try a different cable or adapter. These steps quickly isolate common faults, so you can get back to presenting with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.